Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you're looking to start a recruitment company, well, what is a recruitment company and what are some of the reasons why someone shouldn't or does not want to start a recruitment company? What is a recruitment company? A recruitment company is basically where a company finds employees, candidates for companies. So a company might be looking for an accountant, a company might be looking for an engineer, someone within IT. And a recruitment company is the middleman. A recruitment company finds the candidate, gives him to the client, and therefore makes a fee from finding that person and giving them to the company. Now, is it easy? No, it's not easy. Nothing's easy in life. However, having said that, you can make a good amount of money. So for example, 15% is the industry average of how much money you can be charging when you find someone successfully for a company. So for example, £70,000 and you charge 15%. You're looking at £9,500 as a fee. And well, once you get going with time, inshallah, and if Allah allows, then you should be able to make 2, 3, sometimes even more placements a month. And those are very realistic targets. But let me address some of the reasons why someone does not want to or will not start a recruitment company. Well, they're working full time. They're working full time and they don't believe you can do it part time. One, you 100% can, because many people are already doing it part-time. In fact, when I started my recruitment company, I actually dabbled in it part-time and I had success. I sent emails, I scheduled them in the evening. So I would write the emails in the evenings, schedule them for the next day, and I would also make a couple of calls during my lunch hours. And in fact, you can even take 1 or 2 days off, even a month, or however you wish, to make cold calls or to get some business on. Let me explain like this. If you have 2 clients, just 2, then you're doing quite well. In fact, you'll probably be making about 50 to 60,000 pounds minimum a year. And more realistically, you should be making 100,000 pounds a year. Why? Because if 1 or 2 companies give you 1 or 2 jobs a month, well, you can do the maths, because the minimum you should be charging is 10 to 12%, and a minimum salary will be something along the lines of 25, 26k, for example, and obviously therefore you're making 2,500 to 3,000 pounds a month. Now, if you've got your own company, you can obviously be a little bit more careful with your taxes. In essence, it can be more tax efficient having your own limited company, so you obviously will save some money there. But let me flip that question. Because let's be honest, if you're asking me, oh, I work full time, can I start a recruitment company part time? Look, how are you possibly going to make something of yourself if you're going to let the job that you have that you want to leave hold you down in starting a company? It makes no sense. If you're working full time and you want change and you want to get out your job and you want to do something for yourself, don't let that job be the reason that you're not doing something for yourself. It makes no sense. You're not happy in it if you're not happy in it, and therefore you should make some time. Now that just can be a few calls a day, because as long as you're doing something, you have an opportunity to make something of yourself. And maybe it doesn't happen in the 2nd or 3rd month, but I assure you, if you be consistent, by 8, 9 months, you'll be making money. And that's what counts at the end of the day. Now, let me also add, if you have a lot of money, a recruitment company probably isn't right for you. So, for example, if you have 100,000 or 150,000 pounds and you want to invest, for example, a recruitment company isn't right for you, because you can invest that in other places, not actually work and start a business and therefore make money. Having said that, a recruitment company is ideal for the person who wants to leave their job, wants a business which isn't huge cost, because it's not a huge cost. Actually, you just need to get the information, and to maintain the business, you're looking at 200 to 300 pounds a month. So very low. And actually your return in the investment is massive, because if you spend, I don't know, 200 pound a month, 250 pound a month, and your return on that is 5,000-6,000 pounds a month minimum, then obviously that's a huge return. Something you're probably not going to get in other businesses. And because it's a service-based business, it means that you have to spend time, and in return for your time in finding these people, the company is paying you a fee. Now, obviously, if you've got a lot of money, you can put that in something else. But starting a recruitment company is ideal for the person who wants to leave their job making 2,000-3,000 pounds a month and now wants to make 6,000, 10,000, or maybe more a month. Ideal. I did it and I definitely saw the fruits. And more importantly, it is definitely scalable. Because now, alhamdulillah, we're looking at the Saudi Arabian market, we're looking at Middle East. So we've done the UK, now we're looking at other international markets. A recruitment company is international. In fact, you can be sitting in, whatever country, Turkey, Egypt, Saudi, wherever you want to be. You can be sitting in that country and you could be providing a service for a company in the UK, in America, in Canada, in Australia. So A recruitment company is not limited based on where you are. And this is a mistake sometimes people think they make, because they will say, well, I'm based in Australia, can it work there? I'm based in Canada, can it work there? I'm based in France, can it work there? And the reality is you can provide recruitment services for anyone in the world. That's just the reality. So America, Canada, Australia, UK obviously have huge markets, and of course Europe. So if you're in any country, you can provide the service sitting in anywhere in the world. And so that should not be a reason for you not to start a recruitment company. Look, one of the most important parts of starting a recruitment company is no doubt the information and the knowledge. And so for example, the recruitment course that we have created, which is called Recruitment, and it's now out inshallah on Sunday at the end of this week. The course is 18 to 20 hours long. It's a huge amount of information. And you do need that information to equip you to obviously start a recruitment company for yourself. And I see it like a builder going to build a house without his tools. He can't build a house without his tools. But once he has his tools, it becomes a possibility. And maybe he doesn't do it the first time. Maybe he does a bad job of it the second time. But with experience and time, he will become really good at building houses. And that's exactly what you guys need to do. If you're interested in starting a recruitment company, I will leave the link below for Recruitment, the Instagram page. So follow the page up. We've got 5 professionals teaching how to start a recruitment company. It's not my course. It's not me. It's 5 professionals. A recruitment director who has run 6 recruitment companies, me as a director who has run my own recruitment company for 5-6 years, another recruitment director, and so we have a lot of professionals behind the platform. So what I would say is, if you're interested, get the knowledge, and don't let your job be the reason you don't start a recruitment company. Don't let what if this happens, what if that happens, how many what ifs will you come up with? Let me tell you this, and this isn't just for me to say buy the recruitment course. Honestly speaking, you guys don't have to. I've never made a video like this telling you guys why you should. But a lot of people say to me, I don't have a business idea. I don't know what to do. I want to start a recruitment company. Can you tell me how to start a recruitment company? I can't, because I just started, I created something for 18 hours of information. If there's 18 hours of information, how can I tell you that in a 1-2 minute voice note? It's not possible. And so I would say this. If you're looking to start a recruitment company and you are getting doubts in your mind, if you have questions, but you want to leave your job and you want to do something for yourself, then I would advise sign up to Recruitment. It is expensive and it's not cheap. And the simple reason for that is you get what you pay for. I spent a lot of money going to professionals and getting them to teach this information. So it's not a 21-year-old sitting in his bedroom and teaching you guys a course. We've tried to do this quite professionally. So I hope you guys can appreciate that. If you have any questions, follow us up on Recruitment, ask any questions, more than happy to help. And well, don't let the what ifs and the doubts and the regret be the reason you don't start a recruitment company. Worst case scenario, you start a recruitment company, it's not a success, but you will learn a lot of information. But as long as you put the effort, as long as you put the work in, I genuinely believe you will, inshallah, make money and make a success of it.